So I made these soft and chewy chocolate chips in less than 30 minutes. This recipe is so easy to make and it's very delicious as well. Trust me. Kindly stay tuned if you want to know how it was made. So I'll start by adding 100 grams melted butter, 80 grams brown sugar, 20 grams caster sugar. You can use granulated sugar in place of caster sugar. That's when you don't have. And I'll gently mix everything together. And I'll add 1 egg. Add some vanilla essence and then mix everything again. This recipe is one of my favorite because no stress. You just mix everything up and then you're good. So I'll add 10 grams of flour and then I'll sift. Yeah. So if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I'll then add half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder and I'll sift again and I'll mix everything together. But just look at that. It's coming out beautifully. So after mixing, I'll add 1 cup or 1 packet of chocolate chips and I'll add 1 cup of milk chocolate and I'll mix everything up again just like you've seen in the video. So when I'm done, I'll scoop the dough using my ice cream scoop, or you can just use your hand and then mold it into any shape or size. You can also refrigerate it for 15 minutes or more, but I didn't do it because my kids were on my neck. So I just proceeded and baked for 15 minutes and just look at that. It came out beautifully and it was so delicious. Please try this recipe and then let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel and then I'll see you in my next video. Bye.